Come on, we will start with the next question, that is 3.18. Fine. The policeman moving on a highway with the speed of 30 km per hour fires a bullet at the thief car speeding away in the same direction with the speed of 192 km per hour. If the muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 meter per second, then what is the speed of the bullet hit the thief car? Means we need to find out what is the velocity of the bullet with respect to the thief car. Fine. We need to find out this. Now this question is divided into two parts. A policeman moving with the speed of, say suppose this is a police car. Fine. This police car moves with the speed of, find that the speed of the police car with respect to ground is nothing but that is 30 km per hour. Fine, which is equal to 30 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. Now it has been told to us this thief car is also moving ahead. Fine, and this velocity of the thief car with respect to ground is given to us, that is 192 km per hour, which is 192 into 5 upon 18 meter per second, and this value comes out to be 160 upon 3. Fine, this is nothing but it is 160 upon 3. Fine, देखिए आप, velocity of the policeman with respect to ground is 30 km per hour, which is ultimately 5 upon 18 into 30, that is 25 by 3 meter per second, and velocity of the thief car with respect to ground is 192 km per hour, which is 192 into 5 upon 18 meter per second, that is 160 meter per second. Fine. Now and velocity of the bullet is also given to us. This is the velocity of the police with respect to ground. Fine, and the velocity of the bullet with respect to the policeman is also given to us, 150 meter per second. Fine, velocity of the bullet with respect to police van, that is we write VB minus VP from the equation of relative velocity. VAB is equal to VA minus VB. Again this is again with respect to ground, this is again with respect to ground. What is the velocity of the bullet with respect to the police van? This is given to us 150 meter per second, and velocity of the bullet with respect to ground we need to find out from this part. Velocity of the police with respect to ground is also given to us, and that is 25 by 3. So ultimately what is the velocity of the bullet with respect to ground? 150 plus 25 by 3. Fine, and if I calculate this has been calculated here, which is equal to 475 divided by 3, that is 475 divided by 3 meter per second. This is the velocity of the bullet with respect to ground, but we need to find out what is the velocity of the bullet with respect to thief. Fine, so according to the definition we write VB minus VT, velocity of the bullet with respect to ground minus velocity of the thief with respect to ground. We have already found what is the velocity of the bullet with respect to ground. This is ultimately 475 divided by 3, and velocity of the thief with respect to ground is also given to us, and that velocity is 160 divided by 3. Fine, the velocity of the bullet thief with respect to ground is 160 divided by 3. So if I put it here 160 divided by 3, and if this has been calculated, this value comes out to be 105 meter per second. Fine, and this is our required answer. We need to find out what is the velocity of the bullet with respect to thief car, that is 150 meter per second.